of being a teacher, and I really think that this thing of being a teacher and to teach children, it's actually a different level of work. You cannot compare any kind of job with this. Every day is a new day, every child is a new child, and that child also every day will have a different thing to say, different thing to share. So yeah, when school, and especially this school, is like a second home. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, like घर में if you are not well, you feel कि school आ जाओ, then I will be taken better care, when compared to home. So school is like a second home. It's like a safe haven. Sometimes you just want to come to the school, talk to the children. They'll kind of make you feel happy. Sometimes you think that you are looking very nice, and nobody will say that you're looking very nice. But the moment you come to school, the children will say, "Ma'am, you're looking very nice," and somebody will give you a flower. Sometimes they will sit and talk to you. The elder ones, like class 8 and all, sometimes they'll come and they'll share. So you feel that you're a part of their lives. We had an adventure camp in school. So I'm a very non-sporty person. I'm like, okay, even if you ask me to run 500 meters is like way too much. 100 meters also is not okay for me. So they had this net kind of a thing. I don't know what it's called. You just climb over the net and you go to the other side and all that. So my children were there, and every other teacher was doing it. So they were saying, "Ma'am, you also have to make us feel proud." I was so scared. For me, just jumping a particular obstacle is a big thing. I kind of tried climbing. Midway, I toppled and I fell down. And then the children, instead of, very strange, because children this age, they generally would laugh at you and all that. My kids, they all just came, they held me up and they said, "No, ma'am, you can do it again. You just climb it again." So then I kind of did that. For me, it was a very big thing. To climb that net and to go on the other side, it was a very, very big thing. Because I've never ever done that. That was the one and the only time I did it. It was only because my children were there and they were supporting and, kind of encouraging and hooting for me. So I did that. I am scared to think of the day when I have to leave. I've been here since a very, very long time. It's been so many years now. I mean, we did not have the buildings around the school at that time. You could see DPS Indirapuram from the highway. That was the time, when these buildings had not cropped up and all that. It was such a long, long time. So I cannot think that I'll be away from the school. I don't know, maybe I'll just come for a day or two more, even after I retire and I go. But what I'll miss is the other kids. Definitely the kids. It's totally different being with them.